How do airplanes stay in the air? Let's uncover the science behind flight. It's all about four forces: lift, weight, thrust, and drag. Lift is created by the airplane's wings. As air flows over and under the wings, it creates an upward force. This counters the plane's weight, which pulls it down due to gravity. Next we have thrust, generated by the engines. Thrust pushes the airplane forward. And then there's drag, the resistance air provides, trying to slow the plane down. When thrust overcomes drag and lift, balances out weight, the plane takes off smoothly and stays in the air. Pilots adjust these forces using controls to keep everything balanced. So next time you're on a flight, you'll know the basic science keeping you up there. Thanks for watching.